My best folks, an excellent good day. My name is David, the physical therapist. 1 ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Let me tell you why. When a client stops physical therapy, if they don't continue in the fitness or maintenance programs that we offer, they are 3 times more likely to be placed at an elder's house, assisted living facility in the first year after this. Conversely, if a client did participate, they're 30% less likely to need placement. Placement means you lose your independence, your house, and you have to physically go somewhere else because of fill in the blank, calamities, fouls, metabolic preventable situations that could have been caught earlier, or just through an urinary tract infection that we also track, and we have urine analysis. We are definitely out of the box thinking physical therapy consultants and health coaches. Do you need us to fly you to and from a house or to an event? We will go to the airport and help you in your endeavors. So give us a consideration, look into us, and I just want, as a company, to put the best benefit value in your corner and be part of that for you.